The All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association today announced the end of the 21-day strike after reaching an agreement with the government during their 6th meeting. The strike was called to demand an 80% salary increase with a 2% share for the longer-serving employees and a 5% annual salary increment. According to the association's president, Jennifer Sindram, the strike was called off after the government agreed to meet the demands, including a salary increment for long-serving employees, fulfilling a promise made earlier.
Daw pangimut banweng no yang ni jingi khi ke jungi ni sit in demonstration ke belayat mentala arkois ni kalong namar bang ilayo ya kita ke jing dawa ke jungi kamut kata ke percent seniority ke jungi ilayo ya kata ke 100% annual increment man usnam ilayo hot ya kata ke 80% te kamdan long khan tang ban reng ilayo pat ya ke base pay ke jungi kamut ke base pay ilayat la ban pendekat menta itu uba join dang menta unum ya ringkat cuba utu bela join kat plus nem ne kat news nem mensyua dia kamut kelap pair ke jingya salary jungi nak kata daw ni call off no ya kan agitation ke jungi.